In primetime news this evening, prosecution dealt a major blow in Beachy Stout case as judge dismisses conspiracy to murder charge.
Political rhetoric reaches fever pitch as politicians trade verbal barbs.
And farmers in Heartland St. Catherine still worried despite good news from the state. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, its private sector lending arm, IDB Invest, has loaned Derrimon Trading $13 million to do some stuff. We'll have the details a little later on.
All right, and from Javon, we go to Jordan. Jordan has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, with the ICC announcing that there have been over 1 million applications for tickets for the T20 World Cup, which comes up in the United States and the Caribbean this summer, it has further reiterated the argument about Jamaica not bidding to host any matches at the T20 World Cup. I'll tell you what one stakeholder has had to say.
And the rain did not just bring flooding in some parts, but Romain is also here. Welcome back, Romain.
Thank you, Janella. Now, the system that has been causing the activity across the island, especially across the east, is expected to remain across the area and continue into tomorrow as well as on Wednesday. We're also expecting a drop in temperatures sometime on Wednesday.
All right, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you think has been your counselor's biggest achievement since 2016 and why?
Now you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.